Hey YouTube, I'm Faisha and this is Simply Lavish at Home. Today is Thirsty Thursday. Should I start calling it Thursday? I don't know. Anyway, today is Thirsty Thursday and I am bringing you another summertime cocktail called the Golden Cup. Check it out. This drink features some Granny Smith apples and cucumbers that I cut up into small pieces, an ounce and a half of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of orange curacao, and 3/4 of an ounce of sherry, club soda, and we have some ice. So I'm going to take my mixed cup, which right now is just a clear cocktail shaker. I have a bunch of these. And we're just going to go ahead and dump in some apples. I'm not even sure how much. I'm just going to wing it. Put in a few of these apples, some cucumber, and then we're going to use, I have my small wooden spoon, and I'm going to bruise that up. And what that's doing is releasing some of the juices. I'm just bruising to make sure that some of these juices from the apples and the cucumbers get out, so we'll get the flavor. Alright. So then we're going to come in and pour in our gin. The orange curacao. This is kind of an orange flavored liqueur. It's very sweet, so I actually put in slightly more than probably I needed because I like sweet. And again, do this however you like it, like however your taste buds decide that you want to have this drink, do it. And you can also multiply. I'm giving you the recipe for just one drink, but you can multiply this however many guests you have in your serving. And then you're going to stir this up and continue to kind of bruise the apples to make sure all of that is incorporated. And then I'm going to come in here and use a Pilsner. Now you can also serve this in a wine glass or a Collins glass, which I thought I had Collins glasses, but clearly not. And I am going to put in some ice, just a little bit because I have big ice. Pour in the apple mixture, and then we're just going to top this off with some club soda. And I'm going to give this another stir to get that all incorporated. And we're going to put some good mint leaves on the top as a garnish. So let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. If you are not already, click the subscribe button and the little bell to let you know every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.